Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
An entry-level motorcycle perfectly capable of being a daily rider. Equipped with a fuel-efficient 150cc single-cylinder engine, this bike is perfect for beginners, as well as those looking for a budget-friendly motorcycle that looks the part. The bike is getting a new and stylish feature, and it is going to attack all the bike lovers. Due to the continuous supplies and demands of stylish bikes, the company wants to release a bike that seems something. The bike has got powerful engine features and reliable power and torque. Most of the features of this bike undoubtedly draw the attention of most of the bike lover, but with the availability. It is almost classic, which has classical design, round headlamp and taillight also. The bike is quite small along with a small seating position. Instead of general wheels, it has spoke type wheels which gives complete classic looks. It has a completely unique body framework and the mirror on the handlebar, and handlebar is lower enough to handle easily at any uncertainties. The engine of this bike is a single-cylinder, 4-stroke, air cooling system, and it would be a good combination of power and torque. The engine is quite enough to gain the maximum speed at 120 km/h. It has kickstart adjust, but also the self-starting system is also added. Telescopic front as a suspension is used for the bike, but the rear suspension is twin shocks. The suspensions are very comfortable and strong enough to take load.
Everything that you thought you could never do before, and even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, go.